Hi, welcome to Learn Science with Nachi. Let's dive into today's discussion. Kepler's law. Kepler's first law says that planets move around the sun in an elliptical orbit, not a perfect circle. An ellipse is like a stretched circle, not completely round. The sun is not at the center. It is at one focus of the ellipse. That means the planet is sometimes closer to the sun and sometimes farther. When the planet is close, we call it perihelion. When it is far, we call it aphelion. The Earth itself moves around the sun in an elliptical path. That is why planets don't move in perfect circles. So remember, ellipse, not circle, that is Kepler's first law. Let's discuss Kepler's second law of planetary motion. Kepler's second law states that the line joining a planet to the sun sweeps out equal areas in equal intervals of time. The planet moves in an ellipse, and the sun is at one focus. In equal time, the planet sweeps out equal areas, not equal distances. Near the sun, the planet moves faster. Far from the sun, it moves slower. Mathematically, the rate of area swept is constant. So even in different positions, the areas swept in equal time are the same. That is why the planet moves faster near perihelion and slower near aphelion. This happens because the sun's gravitational pull is stronger when the planet is closer. In exams, remember, equal areas, equal time, change in speed. That is Kepler's second law, simple physics with simple mathematics. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Learn Science with Nachi on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Turn on notifications so you never miss our physics lessons.